Good morning, welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today we are unpacking product review from El Ginomo. Okay, we have a special craft item where you can put a mirror on it. As a matter of fact, maybe we can start doing more of this stuff together. So let's take a look at this one. So how everybody's doing? I hope everybody's doing all right. Take a look at this. The standard toolkit. We're gonna see the special drills. And this is a mirror. Oh, that's neat. Or maybe not, maybe it's like this. You put it over here and then it has something over here so you can hang, you can put a cord or something to hang it or to, okay, we'll check over here. But that's all it didn't bring the cord board. And then you put this and you have the mirror, which is neat. We're gonna do that. We'll start that during the week and I'll film it so you guys can see. That's pretty. Okay, let's take a look at the drills. These are faceted ones. Okay. Lots of gorgeous drills on this one. This is the first time that I see this in AB for this type. These are rhinestones in a special blue. More rhinestones. Lots of rhinestone. I like this green. Yep, this one's gonna have a lot of rhinestones. Here we have the golden marquee. Okay. We have some pink marquees. That's some white teardrop, some purple teardrop, and blue teardrops. So yeah, we're gonna start this one next week. I can't wait to see it. I can't wait to do it. So let's do this one. The mirror has a film. You see, a protective film, but you can see my light and everything. So we're gonna start this one this week. I'll film it at least starting, right? Yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to do more videos because I'm behind on projects. So now let's go to the diamond painting. This is a 30 by 40. you want to take a look at the drills. It's a round, the standard toolkit. Has 23 colors. This is like a cottage. Look at these flowers. They're beautiful. It's dark. It's a dark canvas. Okay. Has 23 colors and all of them are letters. So take a look at this. A cottage is a beautiful, but it's a lot dark because it's during the night. But the drill fill is gonna be clear. Let's see how that goes. Beautiful, beautiful. So, 23 colors. Let's see. Let's take a look at this. Gorgeous drills. Gorgeous colors. They're mostly dark because the theme is dark. Take a look at this one. Take a look at this teal. Two teals. This one is lighter. This one is even lighter. Dark, medium, and light. Other three colors. So I'm going to put this aside and we're going to do the next one. They're coming increasingly tight. This is another 30 by 40. This one is already bagged. Look at these beautiful blues. The standard toolkit, which you can use if you're new to diamond painting. Oh, I know what is this. I know what is this. This is an stiletto shoe. And this one has 22 colors. All of them are letters too. Oh yeah, I like this one. Take a look at this. A stiletto on the moon. And here are the colors. But I'm not going to take them out, but I'm going to show you from the inside. They're already keyed up. Take a look at this. The glue is sticky. Yeah. And it's a dark one too. You can see it. You're gonna need a light pad. The D is too light. They should have put it as a bold white. Letter D, which is this dark one. But for the rest, it's okay. That's another pretty one. I like that stiletto. That's what I got it. And the last one, but not the least one, is another 30 by 40. This one also came in already keyed up, but this one doesn't have the canvas number, so I'm gonna have to put it HQ004. Let me do that now, because you want HQ004. These are new color. There's some red on the back. Beautiful drills. Oh, this one I like it a lot. That was Rose in the Moon. That's 23 color, and also they are all letters, which is way better. I love the letters. I love the letters. I love the letters. I love the letters. Take a look at this, how pretty it is. They have various different style on this one. I like it. I like this one. This one is very pretty. The glue is sticky. 23 colors. All letters, and all of them have the DMC code, and also you're gonna need a light pad for this one. You know, due to the darkness. But take a look at this, the flower, the detail of the flower. This is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love it. Okay, this is it for FG Normal today. The bagging. Hope you like this one. Give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful weekend. And don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.